Welcome to Hatfield, in close proximity to shopping centers, Septa Regional Line, and Highway 476. Introducing 1533 Emily Court in the community of Montgomery Square. As you enter inside, you're welcomed with generous natural light, sleek hardwood floors, and the open floor plan, bringing together your living room, dining area, and your grand kitchen for optimal entertainment setup. Kitchen is fully equipped with desirable cabinetry, oversized island, and immense counter space. Powder room is conveniently located. Sliding door opening to your spacious deck. Enjoy the grilling, the entertaining, and your favorable green space. Escape to your finished basement, furnished with home theater setup and additional space for a home gym. Second floor offers 2 guest bedrooms in the rear, hallway bathroom, and a roomy laundry room. And your master bedroom with ample closet space and your ensuite bathroom. Thank you for watching the tour. Contact me immediately to schedule a showing.